This is Mama Mish, and today in my magic kitchen, surf and turf skewers. It's the unofficial start of summer, Memorial Day, when Americans remember the soldiers that died for our freedoms. God bless them and their families. It's also the season of food on a stick, from fairgrounds to backyard barbecue. If you were with us last summer, you know that kebabs or skewered foods of any kind are magical to me. Don't know what it is. It's just a vibe. Combine that with the combination of steak and shrimp, and we're entering a state of Nirvana. A mom cooking for a picky family member or two knows when a meal is loved by the entire fam, it's a big win. This is a winner-winner surf and turf dinner. Let NK make your kitchen magic. That doesn't look good at all. It's perfect. First bite. Oh man. Totally worth it. Totally worth it. This is so good. You should try it. Let's eat.